G'day, welcome back to the channel. My name's Matt, but you will know me as WFX Malice. Today I'm going to be showing you a few different ways to fix the Windows Update has failed error. Let's get started. So I had a phone call from a good friend of mine this week. His hard drive failed in his computer and he lost everything. He had to reinstall Windows from scratch on a new hard drive from an old disk copy. Now this is painful enough as it is, but then he couldn't get Windows updates going. So I've jumped on, I've screen shared with him, managed to troubleshoot the problem, we got his updates going. While all this information is still fresh in my head, I thought I'll throw this video together and help you guys out, show you the top 4 reasons as to why your Windows updates has failed. So if you've received the Windows Update error encountered or Windows Update has failed, this is how we're going to fix it. But before we jump into that, guys, if you could please scroll down, hit the subscribe button, throw me a like. It really does help me out. I really do appreciate it. Let's get into it. Number 1, restart your computer. Now, I know 1,000 eyes just rolled simultaneously across the internet, but you'd be surprised how many times in the tech industry this actually fixes the problem. See, services in the background running in Windows sometimes crash and fail. So by restarting your computer, you're just jolting all them, giving them a nice refresh. So give it a try. I'm not going to insult your intelligence. I'm sure you've already done that before you jumped onto my channel. So moving right along, the next one is we're going to update your DNS server settings. So right click down the bottom on your network and choose Open Network and Internet Settings. Choose your adapter, either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Change adapter options, and then right click and go Properties, or double click and choose Properties. Then we're going to go down to Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4, and we're going to choose use the following DNS address and type in quad 1 or quad 8. One's Cloudflare's and one's Google. Then we're going to go down to your start menu, type in CMD, right click on that and choose Open as Administrator. Then we're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Hit enter, and then you can do a ping and just make sure you've got connectivity across the internet. So ping 1.1.1.1 or ping 8.8.8.8. Good, we've got internet. That's confirmed. Now we can go in and we can try refreshing our updates. This should fix most of it for people, particularly if you've just changed your router or if you've just installed Windows from scratch. Old internet settings may have dropped off. Otherwise, we're going to go down to our start menu, type in services.msc. Open that up, wait for it to load, and we're going to scroll all the way down to Windows Update. Once you see that, right click on it and choose Restart. You can choose Stop and then Start, it's up to you. Restart should work. Once again, that's one of those services that I said in the background, sometimes crash, cause your computer to not function correctly. Go ahead, try your updates. There is another way of doing that without going into services.msc. So open up Command as Administrator, as I showed you before, and type in net start WUAUSERV. Hit enter, and it should tell you that the service is already running or it's just restarted. Same again, go through and try and restart your updates. Otherwise, go down to your start menu and type in C:win. Go to your file browser, scroll down and choose Software Distribution and delete that folder. It's okay. Windows Update will automatically re-download this folder. This is all the files that are cached in the background of your update. So you may have started to get an update that's failed. Maybe you had a power failure or you turned your computer off and it's glitched out in the background. Once you start downloading your next version of Windows Updates, it'll automatically download that folder for you again and repopulate it. Well, that should have all your updates up and running again. Throw me a comment down below. Let me know which one of these helped you out. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Check out my channel for plenty of other tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.